everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Vatika. Welcome you guys to my channel. So today I'm flying to Mauritius. Hyderabad to Mumbai, Mumbai to Mauritius at around 7 p.m. I'm just having coffee from Barista, which is a favorite. I'm really excited about this trip because I'm flying international after many years. I think I've lost count of how many years it has been. So I'm really excited about this trip. Of course, excited to share this trip with you guys. So keep watching. So, while you watch this trailer, let me tell you a few things about Mauritius. It is a country that can be covered in around a week and a half. Like any other country, it is divided into north, south, east, west, and that I believe is the best way to cover it. Travel to all parts of Mauritius, spend a day or two there, including Port Louis, which is the capital city of Mauritius. That way, you will cover Mauritius to your heart. That's what I did. In this video, I will show you south of Mauritius, three of its top tourist spots, and I sincerely hope you guys will enjoy this video. And if you do, please like, share, subscribe. South of Mauritius is gorgeous. It is surrounded by waterfalls, mountains, rivers, and a few rarities that occurred just here. Let's begin with our number one tourist spot, which is Maconde Point. I hope I am pronouncing that right. So the reason why this cliff is so important is because people climb all the way up to click amazing pictures of themselves with the mountain and the ocean together. But guess what? I did not do that. I really believe that the ocean and the mountains looked amazing together and I ended up taking videos of it. That's me. Another spot here is Chamarel, where one can easily spend an entire day. You can firstly spend a good amount of time looking at these waterfalls. Drop in at their cafe for a small bite or a cup of coffee. And guys, my favorite part about Chamarel is the 7-colored earth. This sand is the way it is because of slow decomposition of volcanic lava into clay minerals over a million years. Sunset is the best time to visit it, and the colors that you can see here are red, violet, brown, green, blue, purple and yellow. When I visited south of Mauritius, I got the feeling of a small town, and when I compared it to north of Mauritius, I believe that it is not as commercialized and one can easily live a very slow life here. If you're someone who wants to take a break, live among the mountains and the rivers, and live a very peaceful life, I would suggest the south of Mauritius. That, my friends, brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching South Mauritius with me, and stay tuned for more videos from Mauritius. Till then, bye and thanks for watching.